funding brutal government in Ethiopia. We demand the Finnish people to urge their government to stop supporting dictatorship in Ethiopia. To stop supporting dictatorship. Stop supporting dictatorship. We stand for freedom. We stand in solidarity with our people.
We stand with solidarity with our people.
We speak for justice.
We speak for justice.
Finnish government.
Stop funding
the government in Ethiopia. Finnish people. Request your government to stop funding the killing machine in Ethiopia. We stand for freedom. We demand freedom. History will judge you. Finnish government. The Finnish people. Be on the right side. Be on the right side of history. Support the oppressed people of Ethiopia. Be on the right side of history. Demand your government to stop funding dictatorship in Ethiopia. We are against dictatorship. We are against authoritarian government. We support the March for Freedom. We support Oromo protest. We support Amhara protest. We support Ogaden people. We support Gambela people. We support the Konso people. We stand in unity. For our lives, for our people. We speak for justice. Free Bekele Garba. Free Demeke. Free all political prisoners in Ethiopia. Free all political prisoners in Ethiopia. Release our people. Free detained people in Ethiopia. We stand with those detained. We speak for those who are voiceless. We stand for those who are voiceless. Vapauttakaa poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa! Vapauttakaa poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa! Vapauttakaa poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa! Vaadimme oikeutta! Kaikille Etiopiassa! Vaadimme oikeutta! Kaikille Etiopiassa! Lopettakaa viattomien tappaminen! Lopettakaa viattomien raiskaaminen! Lopettakaa naistemme raiskaaminen! Vapauttakaa poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa! Vaadimme Suomen hallitukselta, että se lopettaa Etiopian rahoittamisen. Vaadimme Suomen hallitukselta, että se katkaisee tuen Etiopialle.
poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa. Vapauttakaa poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa. Vaadimme vapautta kaikille Etiopiassa. Vaadimme, että Suomen kansa on oikeudenmukaisuuden puolella. Vaadimme, että Suomen kansa on oikeudenmukaisuuden puolella. Vapauttakaa poliittiset vangit Etiopiassa. Lopettakaa viattomien surmaaminen. EU, Finland, please revise your failed, misguided foreign policy to the murderous regime in Ethiopia. Austerity in Finland. Millions of euros to the killers in Ethiopia. Why? Austerity in Finland. Millions of euros to the killers in Ethiopia. Why? We demand the Finnish people, our fellow Finnish citizens, to stand with us, to support us in our quest to stop the Finnish government to change the foreign policy towards Ethiopia. We support Finland. We support US. Our problem is with your failed foreign policy in Ethiopia. Austerity in Finland. Millions of euros to the killers in Ethiopia. Why? Stop sponsoring terrorism in Ethiopia. Sponsor terrorism in Ethiopia. Mekkele is our hero. Lemmica is our hero. Demmeke is our hero. We support all Ethiopians in their fight for democracy, for freedom, for justice. We ask our fellow Finns to support us, to challenge the EU, the Finnish government to revise their failed, misguided foreign policy towards Ethiopia. Austerity in Finland. Millions of euros to the killers in Ethiopia. Why? We have to stop it. Change your policy. We are supporting the EU. Finnish government. The US. We ask you. We challenge you to change, to revise your failed foreign policy towards Ethiopia. People are dying.